How you going, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use media hype to make money from cryptocurrency. So I got into crypto because of Cardano and the hype around Cardano, and I think it's a really good example of how to use media hype to make money. So you can see for a year, Cardano was very stagnant, slowly growing until the last couple of months. We had all the hype for the Cardano Hardfork, which was going live on the 1st of April, which was, or the 1st of March, which was about then. So you can see that the growth Cardano had on the build up to this launch was massive. Now, I think that's a great way to buy and make money with crypto because there's a pretty obvious buy point. You can buy anywhere before the launch and then you can sell at the peak, well, somewhere close to the peak. Now, Ethereum just launched that they've got a hard fork scheduled for April the 14th, which is currently just under a month away. So my logic is that I want to buy Ethereum and then sell it in just about a month. So let's go have a look what Ethereum's doing and let's put some money into it. Now, I'm not a crypto nerd by any means. I'm trying to understand why crypto fluctuates and the logic behind that. So let's have a look. It's currently trading at about $2,300 Australian. And I think potentially we can see it rise another 5, 10, 15, 20%. You can see it had a pretty high peak back then, but I think we can see that again. So let's go buy into Ethereum. I'm going to put all my money, let's put 49 Australian dollars and let's buy it. Now, my logic is, I think it's pretty sane that Ethereum's going to have a lot of hype go up around it as this new update happens, and that's going to drive the price of Ethereum up, and I probably want to sell it once it's gone up 10, 15, 20%. So if we take this price here and we go times it by 1.2, which is 20%, that gives us $2,850. So that is going to be a rough price for what we want to sell it at. And we can see, if we go back to the charts, did it ever reach 2805? No, but it was close. It reached $2,500 recently. And I think that we'll see it reach it higher again and keep going up, like we've seen with Cardano and Bitcoin and all these major coins. So I'm pretty confident. Now, I think the media hype behind cryptocurrency is really important for learning how to make money with cryptocurrency, because crypto isn't only about what's behind it. It's so easily influenced that I think you can make money just by seeing media come out and hype come out around it. And I guess we'll see how that works when this trade plays off. To finalize this, guys, I'm going to do a sell and I'm going to set it to sell. Let's do a 15%. I'm going to set it, no, let's keep 1.2. I'm going to set it to sell at 2,850. 2,805, So let's go in here and let's go limit. Price to trigger at 2805. and I want to sell all of them, which is, how many do I have? It's a great question. I want to sell all $49 worth. There we go. I'm triggering that at a 20% growth. And let's see what happens. Now, that is what I want to keep doing in cryptocurrency in order to make money, is put these buy and sell orders in and make money using that. I think the media hype is a valuable way of doing it. I hope this video helped guys understand a bit about my logic behind cryptocurrency, and let's see what happens.